today? Oh, your little hands. Are you holding Mama's hands? What is today? Today is August 22nd. So you're about 3 months old and a week and a half. You making noises? That is the funniest noise that you make. How do you do that?